All right, welcome back. Look at the downpour underway in Earlysville at the airport. Yeah, this is like the second round. This one a little bit more potent. And of course, some of those downpours producing frequent lightning as well with some of the storms here this afternoon. We'll go right to the radar. Currently, our warning is for western Buckingham County with a cell that's moving through the Lynchburg area. These storms here are moving at 30 miles an hour, damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour right now. Western Buckingham County under warning until 6:45. Now let's take a look at some of the activity. Still some downpours from, say, just east of Gordonsville up toward the town of Orange. Here is the line of storms that is back toward the Earlysville area, moving toward Burnley and out toward Advance Mills. That continues farther off to the west. And then we see a larger area of some heavier downpours from Batesville up toward Crozet and just to the west of Doylesville. There's the one that is closing in quickly and producing the heavy rain at the airport out toward Ravenna, Earlysville, and out toward Woodlands Road. And then you can see more lighter rain here farther to the west, back toward Afton and Waynesboro. Still some heavier downpours from, say, Sharando and back along the Blue Ridge Mountains. All this is lifting off to the northeast at about 20 to 25 miles an hour. So again, we did have some warnings earlier. We had a warning for portions of Greene and Madison, Culpeper counties, some trees knocked down near the Wolftown Hood Road area and near Standardsville from earlier this afternoon. So here's a wider perspective. This is the severe thunderstorm watch box in play until 9 o'clock tonight. Storms are moving farther off to the east, so this area has been untapped for more in the way of some strong severe thunderstorms to develop. Damaging winds, the greatest threat, along with some locally heavy rain. Temperatures, you can see they've been impacted by the showers and storms or just the cloudiness nearby. Made up to 92 today. Right now 78 at the airport with the rain falling. Most of us are in the 70s. It's still quite humid. You can see areas have been untouched. Richmond's currently at 93, but then we look at those dew points. They're well in the 70s. That's air that you can wear. So in this environment, when storms go up, they can be efficient rain producers and make excessive rain amounts if they don't move quickly enough. Temperatures for many of us tonight in the lower 70s across central Virginia, some upper 60s north and west. Again, those showers and storms early tonight, and they'll fade away. And then tomorrow is our first alert weather day for the afternoon and evening once again. Temperatures back down a little bit, but still upper 80s to low 90s before the storms develop during the afternoon. Once again, tomorrow, a level 2 out of 5. Damaging winds, the greatest threat. There could be some spotty hail, but I think more in the way of flooding potentially. And we do have a flood watch for portions of the area. I do expect a larger area will be included as the update begins tomorrow because of the potential of excessive rainfall with a front nearby that's going to be stalled. So in the morning, things are quiet, upper 60s, lower 70s. We heat back up, upper 80s, low 90s. Then we'll watch those storms materialize during the afternoon, say after 2 o'clock and beyond. Some of those could be heavy rainers, some isolated severe as possible, and then activity will wind down as we go into Wednesday night. So this setup is basically a stalled front. We don't have a push of cooler, drier air to move it farther south. It bumps up against a big ridge of high pressure off to our south and east, and it's kind of a rinse and repeat forecast over the next several days. So showers and thunderstorms will end early tonight, some patchy fog, most of us will be in the lower 70s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, first alert weather day for Wednesday afternoon and evening. More concerned about some flooding potential, some isolated severe, but over the next several days we're going to have more rain chances, but again, not a complete washout. Temperatures will be in the upper 80s to around 90 throughout the stretch. We need something to move things along, and right now kind of a little traffic backup in the atmosphere.
Gotcha. Well, it's good to hear that there's no washout coming on the way. All right, well, let's check